Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro. This is the new one, and we're going to show you how to change the screen lock time. This is the time before the screen shuts itself off. So you want to go to settings, which is the gear. Depends on where you have it placed, but basically find that one, and then you want to go down to, not to the Face ID and passcode, which is actually the lock part, but in this case it's actually on display and brightness. So click there. And you can see auto lock time as 30 seconds. So click there, and basically you have a whole bunch of choices. 30 seconds may be a little bit too short. Don't make it too long though. And this one is really risky because basically if you forget to lock the phone, anyone who picks it up, 3 hours later, as long as there's still batteries, would be able to get into your phone and not just delete stuff, but also potentially could do things harmful like send email out, start phishing, do all kinds of bad stuff. So anyway, avoid this one, but 5 minutes, that's pretty good. It won't be too much of a nuisance and you still have some security there. So anyway, that's how you adjust the screen lock time. Don't forget also that for the security part, the face code, Face ID and whatnot, you can do that here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is my simplified one. Don't use something that simple. And then, use Face ID for this. Actually, Face ID not so great in the age of COVID with all the masks and whatnot, but this is how you set it up. And the passcode, you'd really want to not turn that off, at least have some way of getting in. I don't know if you can even turn it off absolutely, but basically change the passcode there. So that's it for today. If you guys have any questions on this or anything else with the iPhone 12 Pro, do let us know. See you guys next time. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro, hot off the presses. I just picked it up at the Apple Store. It is the morning of the release, the 23rd of October.